Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kumbalong lem hasat laka perthai ka Civil Hospital Blood Center Jowai ru kala penlong ya ka Blood Donors Drive ha Jowai harengkat ka jingetrai lang bat ka Woodland WK Hospital Sabak Muswang West Jaintia Hills District ha ka sengisa jain ka khatnyu tarik unai lor arajar arfuar UMDC jong ka Shangpung constituency uba Trailang Suchiang ubala sakhi lang hagani gasngi ula Pynshlur ya ki weiru ban wan shakhamat ban Snam namar ka jing Snam ka pen im ya ki minsiem ba kordor ki ba don kam ya ka jing yarap ba kerki hagani gasngi la sakhi lang da ka in charge jong ka Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center ka Dr. Pynshlur ka bala pen pau ka jing sngongo ya ka Woodland Hospital ya ka seng samla balang Catholic movement tudu ya ka jing seng samla balang Presbyterian Jowai ki bala snok tilang bat ka blood bank ban penlong ya ka ni gasngi ka bajok la sakhi lang ha ka ni gasngi da medical superintendent jong ka Woodland WK Hospital Dr. D Das chairman jong ka seng samla balang Catholic movement tudu UF Senna bat laifhongut ki samla ki bala mi shakmat ban ai mon snobha ya la ka Snam
set a milestone with regards to this noble cause, and at least in this Jaintia Health District. Last but not the least, my sincere thanks to the organizing members of this program of this Woodland WK Hospital, including Senior RMO Dr. Pynshlur and Ms. Ibadahon, the Nursing Superintendent, Mr. Frankie Rimbai, the
Hagui Sri Lanka who radio is now, no? That are called in opportunity. Okatayu made on the way. I put you to pay him and they were at the late man, no, you brother, come everything is now. Tahagin Snam, a chicken go around to you. The Ikami Euro could be blocked to Gluten State or somewhere. Everything saying, yeah, you brew, then you go brew. The Baile is now, oh, Bayo Bruto, Tuni. Learning Maratum Hono, Snam Marat, Sikabur, Nanayum, they hold the Dupungai in charge of Snam, and no brew, because of that, Nare, 8-0, Captain to belong donors, Yagan blood donors.
The excess iron from your body. So, by donating blood, we are not losing anything. In fact, we are getting a good health. We are getting a benefit out of it. And as a male and female can donate blood when he reaches 18 to still 60 years of age, and the body weight has to be 45 kgs above. Hemoglobin has to be more than 12 per 0.5 milligram percent, and in an adult body, an adult who has 45 kgs above will have a blood volume of 5 to 6 liters. On donation, we take 350 ml. So we understand out of that 5 to 6 liters, on donation is only 350 ml that will be taken out from the body. And when you give blood, on the very same day, the volume will come back, while the cells will take.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.